You know, I've gotten to the point now where I don't even need to look at my trick shots in order to make them. But you gotta see this house. Check this one out. Welcome to 528 South Ohio Avenue. This house features 3 spacious bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. This house screams modern inside and out, with features such as a quartz countertop, finished basement, and check out this master bath. Now, this might be the biggest shower tub combination I've ever seen, but it doesn't end here. You have your very own dog wash on the first floor. You're right here in the center of Columbus, Ohio, 30 seconds away from Nationwide Children's Hospital. Don't believe me? Watch this. The builders are putting their finishing touches on this property right now, so you could come in and really customize this just to the way that you like it. So if you want more information about this house or any other property on the market, make sure you reach out to me today. Once again, I'm Julian McClurkin with Vision Realty. Till next time, see you next home.